Welcome back, folks. Today is the second part, as promised, getting my car ready for a road trip, and that is the vacuum pump. I'm not going to change it. It's quite expensive, but if I will need it, I will do it. But for the moment, I thought I might try just to change the seals. That's what I'm about to show you today. This is a very well-known issue with Volvo engines, and the specifics of the engines is 6 pistons, T6, SI6, anyway, petrol engines that are 3 liter, 3.2 liters. So this fits S60, V60, XC60, XC70, V70 as well. So it's not just only one car, because they share practically almost the same engine and components. To put these on, just to let everybody know the most power. Right, to do this job, first you have to remove the beauty cover like that, and then you have to take out the airbox that feeds air into the engine. Then we have to take the front part of the battery box here, and then we have to take this bracket off. But to do that, we have to take this other bracket that sits on top of this one. So you have to remove both of them, and then we can have access all the way in there to this vacuum pump, right? So let's get it. I've cleaned this area, especially the pump, about 2 weeks ago, but take a look at it. It's pretty wet again over there, so it's definitely the seal, probably that seal as well. So as you can see, it's a lot of dirt and grime, but also it's all wet in there, if you see, everywhere. And the gearbox, come on, focus. The gearbox, hoses. We have to degrease, as you can see, the airbox as well, because it has some oil in it. And then clean it properly. Coffee break.
off your brake.
So now, to put back the airbox, you have to make sure you put this end over there in that. Don't just let it loose. Also, another thing to notice is that this channel here will have to go over this. Yeah? And the third thing, before you put everything else, this grommet, yeah, because it goes like that, this grommet has to go in there like that, to slide in, and then you put the filter back on the lid, make the connections, and you're all done. Just like that, everything in place. Air filter, although I will have to change it in a very short while. And the lid, which goes in like that, I'll have to screw it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Screw down this cap. After that, to make that connection over there, and everything is done. Oh, let's not forget about the beauty cover. Yeah, that's it. And just like that, it's back in its original state. Now it's time for driving it and see if it leaks or not. Hopefully not. I think I've done a pretty good job, so we'll see in about a week.
So in the end, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps anyone, and thank you very much for all the support you give to the channel. See you in my next one. Bye.